Hey guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, guys, I am super excited. So I am bringing you a really random but really cool product review. So we are actually going to be reviewing a razor. So this was sent to me, but I asked them if I could do a video on it and they said yes because I am obsessed with it. And the woman who's been emailing me is like the sweetest. So if she is even a taste of what their customer service is, amazing. But this is the Aveline razor. So this razor, guys, I have never seen anything like this. So this is it. It's this adorable, precious little thing. So one, you can travel with it, which is phenomenal. It has these little roller balls on it, so it makes it really easy to glide. It's got 6 razor blades on there and it's really cushiony around here. But check this part out. So it has a finger grip and a little finger slot. So what it is you go like this and you just shave away, which makes it really, really easy to shave your legs, any areas. It does have a 5 pivot area too, or what am I trying to say? 5 pivot turning head. So it's really gonna go anywhere that you need it to go. It's gonna fit into all your curves really nicely. It's really comfortable to hold as well. And it's secure. So how many times have you accidentally dropped your razor and nicked yourself? It's not gonna happen because you're wearing her like a little ring. But I love it. I use it and I got the closest shave like ever. I shave my arms and I shave my legs. I've always shaved my arms because of my tattoos and it just feels awkward to me to not, but I always shave my legs as well. Now, bear with me, this was not the best footage ever because I was trying to film this by myself in the shower, but I did shave my legs with it, so I wanted to show you guys. Alrighty guys, so I had tried to film this with the water on, but I took the water off. So it's really, really easy. You just put it like this and you just shave. And it pivots any way you need it to. The little head, see how it just pivots? And you just slip it on like a ring and you go to town. It's super easy. It's got these little rollies, so it does roll on the body very, very easily. But yeah, this is as simple as it is. And this part is very cushiony. The razors are nice and sharp. It is perfect, and I like how small it is, so if you wanted to travel with it, you could also do that. So yeah, super easy to do. But one thing that's cool too is this is only an $8 product. $8. Razors are expensive, and for $8, I didn't think that was too bad. And you can also sign up for the subscription service where they will send you new razor heads as well. It's really easy to change. You just push this little button and it pops right out. So really easy to do, and then you would obviously just take that and pop it right back in. So even if you accidentally like removed it, you could easily pop it right back in as well. But one thing that's really cool, guys, I actually have a 20% off code for you. So the code is gonna be right here, and it's only gonna work for a month. So it is gonna expire end of July. So please double check the date of this video if you're watching this in the future and are upset if my discount code doesn't work. So it's only gonna be for a month, but it does give you a chance to sign up and get it for even cheaper. I just think it's a really revolutionary product and it's really cool and I am obsessed with it. And I'm definitely going to be using it over and over and over again. You wouldn't think that you would want something to pivot like this, but it is like the best thing ever. It really just, I don't know, like, you know that like weird curve on like the back of your knee and like your ankle and everything, like it just gets it all just perfect. It just does what I want it to do. I didn't get nicked at all. My skin, like I said, just feels hella smooth. I'm so happy. And I'm really, really excited to bring it to you guys for 20% off. I am just so grateful to all of my subscribers. I just want to say I've had a lot more brands reaching out to me recently and wanting to partner with me and, you know, have me review products. And it's because of you guys. And I'm really excited to get to bring some of these to you guys. None of these have been paid, but I have had the product sent to me. But they don't ask me to make a video or anything. I wanted to because I am just completely obsessed with this item and I know that you guys are gonna like it. You know, I've dragged many an item on this channel. So I will not tell you something is bomb unless I truly, truly believe in it. But yeah, if you guys were gonna be in the shower with me, you'd be seeing me reach for this razor blade all the time. But anyways, guys, let me know if you're able to pick one up for yourself too, or if you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comment section below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.